May caller ba tayo? Ba't kumuha ka pa ng caller? Uuwi na ako agad eh. Biro lang ka. Hello?
Hello, Pop. Good evening.
Good evening. Hi, what's your name?
Miko po, Pop.
Miko?
Miko po, M-I-K-O.
M-I-K. Hi, Miko. Good evening. You are in New Jersey right now.
Opo, Pop.
Oh. Is it your first time to call?
First time, Pop.
First time. Gano'n ka nakatagal sa New Jersey?
Matagal na, Pop. 2000 pa.
2000. Oh, 16 years na. Nung umalis ka ng Pilipinas, I was just like 5 years old. Pagbigyan nyo na, pangit yung mga jokes ng gabi, ha? Mga walang kaparala ka ng mga, ha? Ano po?
Anyway, Pop, hope you're doing okay. Kamusta ka po ngayong gabi?
Well, I have to be honest with you, I'm not so fine. I just came from personal. I came in from a personal, I just came from a personal emergency, so. But I'm okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Anong ginagawa ni Miko sa New Jersey?
Ako po'y isang hamak na kartero, Pop.
Kartero? Mailman. Tama ba? Mailman, tama?
Papa.
At, what can I do for you today? Ano oras na dyan, Miko?
It's almost the same time, 9:41 a.m.
AM. So we are 12 hours apart.
Today is the first day of fall.
Oh, really? Is it a good time of the year, pag fall, or is it not?
I don't know with anyone, pero for me, siguro, this is one of the best seasons para sa akin.
Bakit?
Other than snow, siyempre, other than winter.
Bakit maganda ang fall?
Kasi, hindi siya masyadong mainit, hindi rin siya masyadong malamig.
Really? Pag fall? Pero may mga fall kasi na, di ba, pangit pag na-fall ka sa kaibigan mo, hindi ka naman gusto. That's a bad time of the year. Ay, nako. Huwag kayo mabusit sa mga jokes ko. Walang kwenta ngayong gabi.
Pop, sana okay ka talaga.
I'm okay.
Nararamdaman kita.
Oh, talaga ba? Can you feel me now?
Yeah.
Well, anyways. Sige, Bob. What can I do for you?
Hindi sana ako sa'yo ng counsel at saka kung yung gusto ko na rin siguro malaman if the decision that I'm going to make will be practically right.
Well, let's not be practical. Let's just be right.
Ganun ba?
Kwentuhan mo ako.
Okay. Meron akong girlfriend. Long distance din kami.
Okay.
Paano ko ba ito? Where she at right now is really, no matter how I try to convince her to come with me or to bring her here, ayaw niya eh.
Asan siya ngayon?
Nasa Paris, France po.
Alright. Gaano katagal siya sa Paris?
Matagal na pa. Siguro may mga 7 years, 8.
7 years?
7 or 8 years.
Okay. So, she flew from the Philippines to Paris?
Hindi, OFW siya from Greece, then she moved to
Paris.
To Paris.
Gano'ng katagal na kayo mag-jowa?
I know first on and off kasi.
But I mean, on and off, but gano'ng katagal na kayo magkakilala? I mean, kailan kayo nag-umpisa maging mag-jowa?
Way back 2011, I guess, 5 years. Way back 5 years.
Pag sinabing on and off, Nico, gaano katagal yung pagitan before magbalikan kayo after separating?
We got separated because may kasalanan din ako.
Hindi, gaano katagal yung break na yan sa relasyon?
Siguro mga 2.5 years yan po.
Okay. So sa 5 years, kalahati lang doon ng materially kayo. Alright. Sige. Kamusta kayo ngayon?
Yun nga, since what happened was ako naman ang may kasalanan and I'm trying to gain her trust.
Are you together right now?
No, she's at Paris.
No, I mean, are you together? Are you lovers right now?
Opo. And yun nga yung the reason why I called.
This is the second phase of your relationship, right?
Opo.
Okay, gaano katagal na kayo nagbalikan itong part na to?
Mga ano na, may mga 2 years na rin.
2 years na. So yung first time pala, halos kalahati ng taon lang kayo, and then you did something wrong, hiwalay kayo, and you got back together, and in 2 years na kayo ngayon. Tama?
Parang gano'n.
Okay. How did you meet?
Online.
Right. Nagkita na ba kayo ng personal?
Opo. Pumunta ako ng Paris.
How many times na nagkita ng personal?
Once.
Okay.
Nung nagbakasyon ako doon. Ayun.
Okay. Parang hindi ka sure sa once. Once lang yun. Bakit parang hindi ka pa sure? How many times na nagkita?
Kasi isang beses lang pa. Kasi this time, that's why I'm asking with regards to practically right. I intend to move to Paris.
To be with her.
Parang lang mabuild ko lang ulit ang trust niya. It's just that.
Okay, question. Kailan ka nagpunta ng Paris? The first part ng relasyon or the second time?
Yung first time pa lang po.
So nagbalikan kayo 2 years na, you haven't really seen each other personally?
Parang ganun eh. 2 years, hindi
diba,
tama yung explanation ko.
Diba kasi, wait lang ha. Okay, I'll tell you kung paano ko naintindihan. Okay lang? You've known each other for 5 years now. Tama?
More than that, I think eh. Mali kasi yung ano na eh.
Alright, but the first part ng relasyon ninyo, mga less than a year kayo, tama?
Alright. A year or less than a year.
Barely a year, sabihin na natin.
Sige.
Barely a year. Alright, naghiwalay kayo, mga couple of years, tama?
Opo.
And then you're now back being with each other as lovers, 2 years na kayo ngayon.
Opo.
Alright. The only time that you guys met was dun sa unang part, which was yung halos 1 taon kayo, tama?
Opo.
At yung pangalawang pagbabalikan nyo, na 2 taon na kayo, you have not seen each other personally?
Hindi pa po.
Okay.
But I'll be flying there by December.
Okay.
And then, yun na nga. Kasi nag-aat lang ako with regards, siyempre, yung ano lang, practical wise lang. And siyempre, I have to support my son din dito. We do have a 11-year-old boy.
May anak ka na? Meron ka na pong anak?
Ano lang ako, kasi yung anak ko, inaano ko na siya, kumbaga, sinasabihan ko na siya na I'm planning to go away, and then, hope you understand, na Daddy loves you very much.
Wait lang, Miko?
So,
okay, Miko?
Your mom already have his partner, and I've been alone for almost 3 years.
Miko?
Living alone and sad life.
Layo ka kasi.
Yun lang.
Miko, yoo-hoo!
I told him na I just want to be happy. Daddy wants to be happy. I need someone to take care of me. Which is at 11-year-old. May parang naintindihan man rin niya yun, yung situation.
Miko? Miko?
Hindi ko lang kasi kung although wala namang problema if I go there, kahit anong trabaho naman kakayanin ko. It's just yung
Miko? Miko?
yung paano mag-umpisa at saka yung
Miko?
ang gulo pa.
Hindi nga eh.
Hello?
Miko? Miko?
Hello?
Hello, Miko?
Hello?
Miko? Miko?
Hello?
Can you hear me? Oh my God.
Hello?
Are we moving to France? Hello?
Hello?
Miko? Miko?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me? I can hear you, but I cannot see you. Where
Hello?
are you? Miko? Miko? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me? Oh my God, what is happening over here? Hello? There's a ghost. The name is Salome.
Pop?
Hello?
Pop?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Pop?
Yeah. Miko? Can you hear me? Hello?
I can hear you now.
Hello? Ay, nakaw. O yan. Baka sabihin nyo, nadamay ako ng caller, ha? Ay, nakaw.